how to repeat or loop a video in Windows Media Player. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to repeat or loop a video in Windows Media Player, I'll help you out. So first, find the video that you want to play and then right click on it and then tap on open with and open with media player. Now, once it opens up, beside the play and pause button, you will see two arrows indicating the repeat function. So if it is crossed, then you can see that repeat is off. So you have to tap on it and then the repeat function will be turned on. So as the video reaches the end, it will repeat again. So that is the loop function has been turned on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.